Yo, what up, guys? It's Duncan / Devin-Foxy today, and we are going to be doing another video called a watch video, and it's called The Fight for Sawmill. And guys, I know that I'm going to delete that parts too, but mostly I would have to keep them as reparted instead of more parts, because the part videos get very old much times as they go forward. So yeah, they get very old as before. And guys, I will try to see if I can do the best that I can to make more videos as possible as I can. So guys, please be sure to not leave me behind, because I'll try my best, whatever I can do or can. So yeah, don't be wasting my huge time or tipping me off for some reason. So do not ever tip me off. If you really tip me off, then it's going to get me mad, and mostly mad for everything else. So please don't do that. And mostly, I will try, and mostly try my huge best, whatever I can, whatever I could think of. So anyway, this is Duncan / Devin-Foxy. We'll be seeing you guys on the next other video, and keep on subscribing and keep on doing it, and mostly keep on reacting to many videos as possible. So let's get into the videos in 3, 2, 1, go, and let's do it. And yes, the voice that I would do, the voice of Red Engineer. So yeah, don't take it hugely personal. I'll play as the other teams. So yeah, except Blue. So yeah, I won't be able to play any voices of Blue, but only voices of Red. So yeah. Here we come. This epic fight and epic music coming. Here we come. We're gonna take you out, Scout. Here they all come. Whoa! Here they go. Take this. Here I am. I've been waiting for you, Scout. Time to finish you out. You can't hide or run from me. Come on, let's go. Miss me. Ah! Oh! 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 Well, that was close. Thanks for the assist, Heavy. I'm on the other side, actually. Whatever you say, whose side you're on, but I'm on the other side, though. Come at me. Ah! Hiya! Go! Yeah! Lights out. For you. Ow! Dang it. Come on, Heavy, let's take them out. Take him out. Let's do it. Thank you, Heavy. Now time to finish it. Heavy? Kill him. What? Oh! The other side around. Of course, I always go to the other sides to out-trap him. End of the line, Scout. Go! Hiya! No, Heavy! Scout! Come here, you sissy. Yeah. Get him. Yes, yes, yes. Good job, Heavy. We're done for the day. Let's go, partner. The fight for Sawmill. Alright guys, so hope you all enjoyed another video. Please be sure to like, mostly comment, and mostly subscribe down below whenever you find any videos very awesome or interesting. So, anyway guys, this is Duncan / Devin-Foxy, and peace out guys. We'll be seeing you all in the next video. Keep on subscribing and keep on crashing on many videos as you guys can. So, this is Duncan / Devin-Foxy, and guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and mostly subscribe. And yes, I will keep on continuing to make more videos on my first channel right now. So, yes. So, guys, I will continue. And I will continue to make more videos on my first channel. So, guys, I will do the best that muchly I can to make more videos as possible. So, this is Duncan / Devin-Foxy. And we'll be seeing you all on the next video. Bye-bye, everybody.